Wie schön, dass du geboren bist. Wir hätten dich sonst sehr vermisst. Wie schön, dass wir beisammen sind. Wir gratulieren dir, Geburtstagskind. Happy birthday, dear Julyborns. I hope you prepared your wish. If not, then pause the video and think of a good one. Here we go. This posting on Friday thing has worked out great for me in the past few months. Today is my mom's birthday, so this is obviously dedicated to her. Happy birthday to the best mother in the entire world. But of course to the whole lot of you Julyborns as well. Here comes what is scientifically special about you if you were born in July. Number 1. Julyborns are shown to grow up to be happier adults. So this one study found out that being born in July is possibly a good remedy against depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, and seasonal affect disorder. This has been shown to be the case in several studies, but one I recently read, and which you can as always find below, states that the biological clock imprints on the day-night cycle when you are born. This means that seasonal variations in the day-night cycle that individuals experience as their brains are developing in the first few weeks of life may affect the circadian clock of each individual and thus the possibility to develop several disorders, but also the personality. Keep in mind that this has been studied in humans and non-human animals who live in the northern hemisphere, up north enough for the light-dark cycle to be noticeably changing from summer to winter. The same studies are not expected to show the same results in people who live near the equator, where the dark-light cycle hardly changes, and for people in the southern hemispheres, they should be completely the opposite. Number 2. You are more likely to be left-handed. People born between March and July are apparently more likely to be left-handed, while people born from August to February are more likely to be right-handed. This is caused by the seasonal variations of dopamine and melatonin during certain important parts of the pregnancy. Of course, left-handed people are pretty rare in general. Not every Julyborn is left-handed. It's just more likely to happen than in the winter months. Number 3. July babies, and people born in spring and summer in general, have the greatest ability to self-regulate their emotional inner lives. They can stay more calm and composed and can practice effective control on the outcome of a conflict or a situation better than people born in autumn and winter. This has been shown to be the case already in 18-month-olds. I really want a summer baby right now. Number 4, and again, they are shown to be tall. Summer babies are more likely to grow into tall adults because according to a few studies, they get the most vitamin D from their mothers in utero during the 2nd and 3rd trimester of the pregnancy, and this boosts your development. Number 5, they are healthier. Researchers of Columbia University looked at the records of over 1.75 million people and found that people born in July had an overall decreased lifetime disease risk than those born in other months. There is no clear reason why this is happening, but apparently you are less likely to suffer from several cardiovascular, reproductive, and mental disorders, as well as asthma and ear infections and stuff. How cool is that? Schizophrenia later in life. And number 6, if you were born in summer and especially in July, you are less likely to develop schizophrenia later in life, with people born in January being the most likely to do so, by the way. Researchers are speculating that this might have something to do with the vitamin D levels the fetus can receive during the pregnancy and the first weeks of life. Now, of course, this does not mean that the season of birth is the cause of schizophrenia, but that there is something good about getting as much vitamin D as possible in the womb. Did you just have your birthday last month, or the one before that, or any other except for August and September for that matter? Then check out what is special about people with your birth month in this playlist, and if you are indeed an August or September born, then fear not, the first Friday of each of those months is gonna be a dedicated post to people born in these months. So subscribe to this channel and make sure to check out the other videos on the human body, behavior and cognition along the way. See you next week!